doing some round baling. This field has quite a few rough spots in it, so I can't go near as fast as I'd like. There's rain on the way. I don't care if these bales get rained on, but I want to get them baled up first. I don't want the hay to get rained on. This isn't the greatest hay. It was some old first cutting. It's not terrible, but it's not great. So as long as I get it baled and we get a shower, it's whatever. I'm not selling it as top dollar hay by any means. So, but we have two fields left after this one. I had done part of this field yesterday. There was actually some nicer hay that wasn't as old, and I baled that up yesterday and got that all home already and inside, so all the good stuff is home covered. The top part of the field tends to be a little thinner, so the grass isn't as tall and it gets old faster. The other stuff I did yesterday, the top was a little browning, but the bottom was still nice and green because it was a taller grass. So, but like I said, that's already home covered up, or in the building. You may have already seen the video of that, I don't know. I've been taking all kinds of videos here the last few days, been so busy, and I'll have to see what order they get put up in. So while we're baling here, I'll give you a quick update on the double hay rake project. It has now seen about 60, maybe 70 acres of hay, and holding up well. It's been nice to have it. I'm still getting a little bit used to raking with it, and some of the windrows I raked yesterday and today could have been a little bit bigger. So, but I'll get it figured out. Turn you around here, see if you can get some footage of the back. Sorry, the window's dirty. I know that's not the greatest view, but I apologize. I'm in a hurry here, and normally I'd open the window or put the camera outside, but I don't have time to be monkeying with it right this minute, so we can bale here in this field is about 5.2 mile an hour. Otherwise it just gets too rough. I had somebody ask me in one of my baling videos last year why I backed up and turn the baler so much. I don't know. You guys probably can't tell on camera, but this, except for the little flat spot up here, basically this whole field is a hill. And at the bottom of the whole hill is a road. So I have to be careful. I don't want to get one started rolling down the hill and have it end up in the road on me. Does anybody have anything to eat? I missed lunch today. 3 o'clock already. I'm starving. I forgot to bring a snack with me. Trying to show you the monitor there, but I don't know why the different screens have to do that. Don't know if you can see the truck and trailer over there. So I'm going to keep baling and maybe hopefully get you some more footage in a little bit here. Alright, we just finished wrapping the last little bale. Oh, the screen changed on me. I don't know what was in there now. I think it was like 36 inches in diameter. I'm just going to leave it in the baler and take it home. There's a bunch of bales. There's a steep hill back there. So as I was getting full, I was trying to bring a lot of them up to the top. It was just easier. And then there's the field I just did, and then way up in the back, I don't know if you can see, is the field that we were in earlier today, and the truck's up there. So I'm going to go get a load loaded up to take home. Thanks for watching this short video. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. Don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up. Hope to see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.